And so we feel that in a couple of years, a lot of people will actually be using flying motorcycles, flying cargo drones to deliver products to people or to actually help people in need. One of our crafts was actually sold to the Dubai Police Department, and they currently have a Scorpion 3 in their police fleet that they will use in emergency situations. So I do not own one, but I have flown it, and it's one of the most amazing things you'll ever get to experience. I mean, imagine sitting on a motorcycle, but it flies around. So the first time I flew this, it was actually quite exhilarating. To be able to sit on a flying motorcycle and actually go as high as you want, as fast as you want, with no limitations, there's really nothing like it. You won't really experience something like this ever in your life. Last week, we actually were in New York for New York Fashion Weeks with Philip Plain, and we showcased this flying drone part of his show. It was a very amazing show, and it's something that we want to just keep showing the rest of the country as we travel to California.